Have you ever wondered why some people stay sharp, energetic, and healthy well into their 80s while others struggle with fatigue, infections, and constant discomfort? What if the secret isn't just genetics, but something as simple as how you take care of your body each day? Most of us assume that our daily hygiene routine, showering, brushing teeth, using deodorant, is enough. But what if I told you that you're missing 5 key areas that could be affecting your health in ways you never imagined? Neglecting these hidden body parts can lead to chronic inflammation, infections, and even serious conditions like heart disease, diabetes complications, and cognitive decline. But the good news? Fixing these habits takes just minutes a day and can have a life-changing impact. So stay with me until the end, because today, I'm revealing the 5 most overlooked hygiene mistakes and how fixing them could add years to your life. Before we begin, if you care about your health and want more powerful life-changing tips, hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated. Now, let's start with the first overlooked area. Number 5. Your tongue, the hidden health risk. Imagine if you never cleaned your kitchen sink. Bacteria, food particles, and grime would build up, creating an unhealthy environment. Well, that's exactly what happens to your tongue if you don't clean it properly. At any given time, your tongue hosts over 700 types of bacteria. Some are harmless, but many contribute to bad breath, gum disease, and even serious health risks like heart disease. Bacteria can enter your bloodstream through small cuts or inflamed gums. Diabetes complications. Poor oral hygiene has been linked to worsened blood sugar control. Weakened immunity. Your immune system has to work harder to fight off infections. How to clean your tongue. Properly, use a tongue scraper, more effective than brushing alone. Gently scrape from back to front 3 to 4 times. Rinse with water or antibacterial mouthwash. Do this morning and night for fresher breath, better taste, and a healthier mouth. Real story. Linda, a 67-year-old retiree, was shocked at how much her food tasted better after just 2 weeks of tongue cleaning. At her next dental visit, her dentist noticed less plaque and healthier gums. Number 4. Your feet, the foundation of your health. Your feet carry you through life, but most people neglect them. A quick rinse in the shower isn't enough, especially as you age. Poor foot hygiene can lead to infections. Fungal and bacterial infections thrive in moist, unclean environments. Nerve damage, common in diabetes but preventable with proper care. Poor circulation and balance issues, leading to swelling, numbness, or even falls. The right way to care for your feet. Wash thoroughly every day, paying attention to spaces between your toes. Dry completely, especially between toes, to prevent fungal infections. Moisturize the soles and tops, but never between the toes to avoid trapped moisture. Real story. Thomas, a 73-year-old retiree, suffered from foot discomfort for years. After properly washing and drying his feet daily, his balance improved, his infections cleared, and walking became painless again. Number 3. Your armpits. More than just sweat. Most people think deodorant is enough, but your armpits play a key role in detoxification. They contain lymph nodes, which help your body filter out toxins and fight infections. When neglected, this area can lead to clogged pores and irritation. Bacteria buildup can cause painful rashes or ingrown hairs. Chronic body odor. Sweat isn't the problem, it's the trapped bacteria. Weakened immune function. Blocked lymph nodes struggle to remove toxins. How to properly clean your underarms. Wash daily with a gentle, fragrance-free soap using circular motions. Rinse thoroughly. Soap residue can cause irritation. Let underarms dry completely before applying deodorant. Real story. Olivia, a 65-year-old teacher, suffered from underarm rashes for years. After switching to a milder soap and thorough rinsing, her discomfort completely disappeared. Number 2, your ears. Not just for hearing. Many people think earwax is dirty and try to remove it with cotton swabs, but that's actually harmful. Your ears are self-cleaning, and improper cleaning can push wax deeper, causing blockages. Neglecting ear hygiene can lead to hearing loss. Excess wax buildup can muffle sound. Infections, bacteria trapped in wax can cause painful ear infections. Cognitive decline, hearing loss has been linked to memory problems and dementia. The right way to clean your ears. Never use cotton swabs inside the ear canal. They push wax deeper. Wipe the outer ear with a damp cloth. Use warm oil drops or a saline rinse to loosen wax naturally. Number 1, your scalp, the overlooked health secret. Your scalp is exposed to sweat, oil, and pollution daily, leading to dandruff and itchiness caused by bacteria and product buildup. Blocked hair follicles prevents healthy hair growth. Headaches and tension. Poor scalp circulation can cause discomfort. How to maintain a healthy scalp. Massage your scalp daily to boost circulation. Wash with a gentle shampoo 2 to 3 times a week. Exfoliate monthly to remove buildup and dead skin cells. Real story. After adopting scalp massages and regular cleansing, Maria, a 58-year-old woman, noticed less hair fall, healthier hair, and fewer headaches. Small habits, big impact. These 5 small hygiene changes can improve your energy levels and circulation, immune system and overall health, confidence and daily comfort. Which one surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.